Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you. Introducing a man. A woman said, he is the only son of my mother's mother. How is the woman related to the man? As usual, I recommend you to pause the video here, try to solve this problem on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answer with my answer and explanation. So if you solve this problem correctly, you should get a pedigree as follows. So here is the couple that has two children, male child and female child, and this woman is married and she has a daughter. So now let's follow the logic. Introducing a man, so this is going to be this man. The woman said, and he is going to be this woman. So let me underline. He is the only son, and this man is the only son. So do not mistake expression the only child and the only son. This is two different things. The only son also means that there can be other children, but of the female sex. But he is going to be the only male child of these parents. So he is the only son of my mother's mother. My mother's mother is going to be a grandmother. So this woman talks about brother of her mother, and she's talking about her uncle. But the question is, how is the woman related to the man? So we have to give a relationship of this woman to this man. So she's going to be his niece. And this is answer D. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. See you in the next video. Goodbye.